Yeah. Hit! "20 seconds, man. Okay, got my guns. What? I got hit right in the shoulder, so can't even argue. Yeah, I know. I lost mine the other day. I got you, guy. Not really. Reloading. Where? There?
Post office.
I don't know.
Hey, do we have guys in the post office?
Do we got guys up top over here?
I don't see any. There's one in the post office.
Hey, look, core.
One moving up! Let's go!
Wait. Friendly. One right in there. Hey, right inside. Behind that cover still. Move up, that's Nugent, go. Hey, right down there. LaCour, you still up?
Yeah, I'm in though.
Where at?
Post office.
You got him up there?
Where is he?
Hey, we got one right down there, left side. See him? Nugent!
What?
Left side!
I know! In the building.
Hey, we got 2 over here and 1 right over there.
Wait, guys, wait, right over there.
Where's this guy? We still got a couple over here, I think. So I think we still have a couple over here. Mag problem. Shit. Fucking follower. If you want to get up here, you can. My primary's down, so my gun's down. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm pretty not well liked right now by the guy at the post office.
I ran him on my SR right now. That's had the good FPS, now you're getting fucking CQB shit. Oh yeah, you're right, you said. So you think if we give these guys fire, those 2 in the front can move into that building?
Maybe. We got these 2 guys up here to worry about, though.
Alright.
Shit. Yeah, see, he knows exactly where I am, so.
Yeah. What's FPS on that?
No idea.
No idea.
Just got it, yeah. You just got it 2 days ago. 2 days ago.
Oh, 3 burst, right?
Yep.
Right? I think it's inside the building, but I'm not sure. Yeah, good shot.
Nugent, is there one in there?
I think I got it. Yeah, you got it. Go in. Back up. Get back, hit.
Hit. Lucky. There's still a couple in.
Is it pretty even so far, you think?
I think so. We're just trying to flush those guys out of that castle. Not doing too well at the moment. What? I know, I'm going for it.
He's way on their side, dude.
Nugent. Yeah. Moving right up to the door. Cover me. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nugent, move up! Move up! Get in here now! Get in the goddamn castle! Let's go! Hey, friendlies! Yeah, I can see them. They're in there in that building.
Yeah. Which building, fire?
Straight ahead, and we got 2 up in the post office.
Okay.
Get in here, get in here. Damn, I love this thing, Nugent.
10-14?
Huh?
They raised. Okay, what's the size?
Hey, we got it. It's us.
Oh, hey. Oh, good.
Yeah, he's ours.
Is there anyone in the range like those grenades?
Uh-uh.
You guys got grenades? Damn.
I borrowed this from the guy.
Hey, why isn't Karate here?
I got it to go in here and try to clear the room, but it's already cleared.
Where's Karate at today, Nuge?
Not here.
Fucking lazy ass.
I'm looking at Walmart right now.
Look at shop card.
Guy on the top of the tower right in front of us.
No, it's a little messy.
There's a guy in that building up there.
I still got 2 in the post office I'm watching.
Alright, good.
The guy in the tower is out. The guy in the building up there. He's still in. Okay. I'm in my AKs here. I'm going to rush up my grenades, right? Last life left.
Where do we go?
How many lives do we have? Okay, well, I'm on my last respawn then. I'm gonna try to get up top.
Hey, sorry about that.
What? I'm going up top. Fuck, Nugent. LaCour! Put some fire on the post office! The FN's up on top! Our guy's in there. Nugent, can you grab the FN 2000 from on top of this deal? Can you just grab it and take it back?
What?
Clear, 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 I'm up top! Jeremy, are you still in? Jeremy, right up there. There's one in that top tower deal. Anybody down there? Yep. Hey, I got one at the post office! Hey, we got one at the top of this tower right in front of the castle. And then we got at least two in the post office. Fuck yeah, we got two in the post office. Hey, bud. Hide and go seek!
How do we get left?
I don't know, there's one in this tower right in front of me and at least two in the top.
Two in the post office?
Two in the post office at least. With the amount of fire that's coming out of that fucking thing, I really wouldn't be surprised. Look at Jeremy. Yeah, Jeremy, yeah! I'm coming down. Are you good? Oh, dude, you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, you got it. I wasn't gonna try and do that.
Dude, I was gunning for you that entire time.
Were you in the top?
Yeah.
Alright, I got
With
you through
this.
the window at first, too.
Is that the game?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's right.
Nice shot. I ran out of